What's up guys, I hope all are doing well. Okay, let's jump to the video. the first the command which I'm teaching you is that sort command. Sort command is basically used to sort the lines of a text file or other type of files. Okay, it will just use to sort a file. Okay. Let's test with the existing file that will be um, exit.txt. Sort exit.txt. It will just sort what and all the content which is present in the particular file. Okay, that is what the use of sort file sort command. Let's say you need to sort it in the reverse manner, so you can use -r command, then the file name that will be exit.txt, that will sort it in a reverse format. Okay, reverse in alphabetic order, that will be a reverse. Okay, the next thing is that you need to sort it, then it should be numeric, I mean numbered, like that. So numbered, like to sort line numerically, we use -n, so it will sort in a numeric format, numeric. Okay, so just a minute, it will sort in a numeric format. Okay, the next argument which I'm using is that -n and r. So sort it and use numeric and r. So it is nothing but it will sort and reverse number orders. So it will sort the lines in reverse number order, and with using exit.txt file, it will sort it in reverse number order. That will be in, it's totally like a reverse. Okay, so next argument will be using d. So if you need to use -d, then you need to have some kind of folders. Let's create folder. That will be, first will be a folder. Okay, then the next will be b folder. Let's do ls. So there is a and b, so let's see, it will sort it and print it. Okay, so I'll use sort -d. Okay, then a and b. So it is not used to sort the directory, it is used to sort a file, exit.txt. It will sort in a way like it is used to sort in directory order. Sorry, it is not a directory, it is used to sort in directory order, treating only letters, digits and blank as significant. That is how it is used. The next argument will be using sort -f. Don't think that it is a force. It is actually used to perform case insensitive sort. Okay, let me use exit.txt function file. Then see, it is used to use a case insensitive. Yeah, it is used to sort the case insensitive. Okay, the next argument that I will be using is that -k. So -k takes two arguments, that will be m and n. So m and n is nothing but what specify a field number or a range for sort. Let's say that you need to sort it by 2,2, then exit.txt. Sorry, I need to use sort. Sorry for that. Sort. It will sort it from 2,2 in the second field. 2,2 in the second. It's nothing but it will sorting based on the second field. Okay, you got it. Second field. It will sort in the second field. The next hyphen will be using -u, that will be exit.txt. Then it will sort in a unique lines only. It will sort the unique lines only. Okay, so that is what the use of -u. And if you use -random sort, then exit.txt. Random sort does not exist. Oh, sorry, randomy, I guess. Random sort, it will sort it in random manner. Like, it is not that from A to B, A to Z, it will sort in random manner. Okay, so the next will be help. So you can also use to see what and all we can do with the use of sort. So if you don't come to know, then the last command will be using a version. Then you can see the version of that sort command. Then you can see the person who has written a code for sort command. And thank you for watching, and bye.